All crew members and passengers, welcome back to another one. This is D Life here on the Passive D Life Express, your favorite skipper on board. Couldn't finish this day without cooking rice with AVARICE. That's right. I would think I got the AVARICE fever. Like, literally, I got the AVARICE fever. I can't go a day without checking out AVARICE, just looking at the growth and just seeing how this project is progressing and looking at, everyone that is in there and just putting that B&B away in these times. That is the amazing thing with AVARICE right now. And the bear market and B&B down in price, and everyone's still just supporting this project and just taking advantage of those B&B divs and the staking, and then the lending also coming soon. So there's a lot going on with AVARICE, and I'm sure we're hoping that they'll be here for the long run. But let's jump into today's episode 6 of Cooking Rice with AVARICE with D Life. Let's check in out our progress and let's see how our divs are going in our 30-day stake. And I got a quick surprise. Also, let's jump into AVARICE. But before we jump in there, don't forget to do everything that you know what needs to be done on the Passive D Life Express. That's right. Like, comment, click the bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Twitter. Let's jump in. AVARICE DeFi at its purest. As its core, AVARICE means greed. It is an incredibly lucrative staking dApp that is built on the shoulders of giants, drawing inspiration from the highly successful T2X platform from the glory days of DeFi. Man, what an intro, or a quick introduction on AVARICE again. Man, welcome to AVARICE. If you are new to AVARICE, make sure leave a comment. If you look into this platform and you do your DYOR on it, leave a comment on it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is greed at its finest. I want to just highlight right now and shout out to one of my commenters, and we, shared our thoughts today, and we did such a good job just chatting it up. So this video, shout out is for you, JP Jack Ponzelli. Thank you so much. I hope that you are a crew member, but if you haven't, make sure to jump on over, click that little red button and subscribe. Stay on board the PDL Express because I like the way that we are going. We're both in AVARICE and we are down with this protocol and it's dynamic. So shout out to JP for JP. I hope you don't round me for this, buddy. But if you do, then I'll take the video down, definitely, because shout out to you, man. You're getting a shout out over here on the PDL Express. So shout out to JP for getting in with 7 BNB into AVC, and he's got a great strategy here, and the way he is doing his auctions and the covering of the observation of the DIS and also the AVC that he has noticed. He did a really good observation of that and gave me some good insight on also, should I continue to get into the lobby and probably get in there every day. I think that is the way to definitely maximize your potential in this platform. So make sure to check out this comment if you are watching on today's video. Get some inspiration from it. Shout out to JP. I would go in depth with it, but I did that for at least about 20 minutes before I started the video. And JP, you inspired me, man, to get back in the lobby and get some more B&B in there. So you could look forward to that. And if you are new to AVARICE, you could also look forward to D-Life getting back in there. Let's jump into the AVARICE panel. Let's see how our B&B divs are, and let's see how this platform is progressing today on the, I think I want to say we're on day 13. Okay, so let's go to lobby first. So if you're new, all you got to do is just come to the lobby. You got your MetaMask connected. Make sure I have some BNB in your wallet. And then you just would click enter. You still got 29 minutes to enter into today's auction. Right now, the total deposits is at 997 BNB. And Right now, AVC per one BNB is forecasted 2,832 AVC tokens. And you could see where we got in on day 6 and we got in on day 10. And it is pretty much that simple. So you just would click enter, put in the amount of BNB that you would like to put in, or put in 100 if you might be that whale, just like that. Click enter and then sign the contract, and you are definitely good to go. Sign the transaction on the contract. So overall BNB deposit 23,811 BNB, 15,000 participants. I told you we were going to hit 14,000 and we surpassed it. Shout out to AVARICE and all of its participants. We got some people putting in 0.1, 0.8, 1.5, 0.75, 8 BNB. Man, shout out to 8 BNB over here. OX82, man. He's definitely getting in and taking advantage of those divs. So, we got the landing coming. You got your buy and sell. You do know about that. So I gotta say one thing about AVC. It is definitely user friendly. It is easy to get into, and now understanding the dynamic, the tokenomics, or definitely, like, I would definitely go back here and highlight my buddy's comment again. So like he said, so the AVC available is reduced each day, and the amount awarded is the amount available divided by the BNB deposited for the day. JP's got to probably be one of the developers. I don't know. I think he might be a secret developer, because that explains a lot on how this works. I've went over the white paper. I've listened to the AMA with one of the marketers, and listening to how he explained how it works. So definitely, this is a good nugget here to just understand, how how this is going to work. So it is reduced each day. So it's almost like that's where the FOMO comes in. You do not know how much ABC you're going to get, but the longer you wait to get in, you might not be getting that same amount of ABC. Hence, you may not possibly be getting the same dividends. So, for example, like he said, so he received ABC on each day, 8, and he has staked each day different in intervals 5 to 30 days. So that is his strat. But he's making sure to stay within that 30-day range. That's why I just took that stake for 30-day, but spreading it out so he could continue kind of like that same like ladder staking that I was talking about in, want to say that was about 2 days ago, this same video right here on the 15th. So that was yesterday. Feels like 2 days ago. That's how much ABC videos I've done. But definitely making a lot of sense there, JP. So that's added to everything that I said in the beginning when I went through the white paper, and I also tried to understand exactly how it's gonna work. But I was under the impression once we do have a big deposit that day, then automatically the AVC tokens that are dispersed should be more, because of more BNB going in, hence more divs. So for me, it would be the simple, just the streamlined way of knowing, well, okay, you got to get in there every day because you don't know how much BNB is going to get in there. Hence, you don't know how much AVC. Hence, you don't know how much dividends. So it just made sense that way to me. So again, shout out to JP. Alrighty, so there you go. You got your buy and sell. So you could go on over here and we could sell your stakes if you would like to. But let's jump in now and see how much divs we've earned so far, because we just have our 30-day started as of today. 33 AVC, and we have our 11 AVC. Right now we have 0.001 still, so the 30-day hasn't shown its BNB and divs as yet, so we will still be waiting for that to show up. But it's just good to still jump in here. And now it's almost like I feel like I need to document this every day, and also get in there if I can every day. I am seriously tempted to get in here right now in 24 minutes. Oh man, but I really want to put like at least a half a B&B or one B&B in here. These guys over here, man, they are really making me want to break the B&B bank and get in there with some, with the sledgehammer and just bam, smash that like button for ABC on the Passive D Life Express. We're getting that B&B into the auction. But what do I do? All right, possibly I'm gonna get back into this lobby again tomorrow. I know every day you don't get in here, you miss divs, you miss that staking opportunity, and that's just the power of this platform. But definitely, if you could get into ABC every day, this is not financial advice, of course. It's only entertainment and educational purposes only. I would get in, just me, my opinion and my thoughts. But we gotta have B&B for all the other miners. And so, yeah, looking forward to still getting in here, definitely, but with some more B&B. Hopefully, probably do that one in maybe a 15-day stake, or possibly since we did that 30-day, then we may do a 40-day, or then definitely sit down and do some strategizing, whether we're gonna go lower or go higher, or just stay in the 30-day range and just keep on putting all of them in intervals, just like our buddy JP there with some of that good nuggets on his ABC journey. So make sure leave a like on today's video. I'm not gonna jump into the lobby right now. I am going to kind of pull back because tomorrow is Friday, and you do know what tomorrow is. It is MF Fridays, and we gotta have that B&B for all of the miners, and then possibly I probably will get back into this lobby tomorrow. So we'll see. So this is just a quick update. I thought that I would have some B&B in here for my second stake. Obviously, it has started, but it hasn't showed up yet. So hopefully, we'll be seeing what we could be earning tomorrow, or worst case into the weekend or next week. But definitely looking forward to seeing those divs grow and getting to that 0.1 B&B mark. That would be awesome. Pretty much we've already ROI once we get into that 0.1 or 0.2. And no, once we get to the 0.2, then we would already ROI. Or definitely 0.3. All the B&B would be back, and everything after that would just be strictly profits. So this is D-Life with my daily dose of AVARICE. Please leave a comment just like JP. Let me know how AVARICE is going for you. Share your nuggets and share your voyage on AVARICE. Let me know your thoughts, your strats. How are you staking? How are you getting into the lobby? Thank you so much, JP. This one is a special shout out to you, buddy. Continue to support the channel. Become a subscriber. Make sure I click the like button. Make sure I leave a comment. I am over and out. D-Life with Cooking with AVARICE.